Ever stared blankly, heart-pounding, frantically searching your pockets, your drawers, that one safe spot, only to realize something crucial is missing? Now, amplify that feeling tenfold. What if that missing item isn't just your keys or your wallet, but your entire cryptocurrency vault, your ELLIPAL Titan? That thought alone can send shivers down any crypto holder's spine. But before panic fully sets in, let's take a deep breath and explore exactly what happens if your beloved cold storage wallet goes astray. First and foremost, the immediate and crucial piece of good news is this: losing your ELLIPAL device does not mean you've lost your cryptocurrency. Your digital assets aren't physically stored on the device itself. Think of the ELLIPAL as a highly secure key, a hardware interface that allows you to sign transactions and interact with the blockchain. The actual cryptocurrencies reside on the decentralized ledgers, secured by your private keys. So, the physical loss of the device doesn't automatically grant anyone access to your funds. That's a significant relief, right? However, the situation is still serious and requires immediate action. The primary concern now shifts to preventing unauthorized access if the device falls into the wrong hands. While the ELLIPAL boasts robust security features like a tamper-proof design and a secure element, you shouldn't rely solely on these if the device is lost. Your first step should be to remotely wipe the device, if you had that feature enabled. Check your ELLIPAL app or account for options to remotely manage your device. This will erase any sensitive data stored on it, including your account information and transaction history. Next, and this is absolutely critical, is to utilize your recovery phrase, those 12, 18, or 24 seemingly random words you meticulously wrote down and hopefully stored in a secure, separate location when you first set up your ELLIPAL. This recovery phrase is your ultimate backup, your master key to restoring access to your crypto assets. With your recovery phrase, you can import your wallet and all its associated cryptocurrencies onto a new ELLIPAL device or another compatible wallet, software or hardware. Treat this recovery phrase like gold, because, in the crypto world, it essentially is. If you've lost your recovery phrase along with your ELLIPAL, then unfortunately, accessing your funds becomes significantly more challenging, and in many cases, impossible. This underscores the paramount importance of securely backing up and storing your recovery phrase. Think of it like losing the key to a safety deposit box. The box, your crypto, still exists, but without the key, your recovery phrase, opening it becomes incredibly difficult, if not unattainable. Beyond the immediate security concerns, losing your ELLIPAL also means losing a convenient and secure way to manage your crypto. You'll need a new method for signing transactions and interacting with the blockchain. This could involve purchasing a new hardware wallet, setting up a software wallet, or relying on exchange-based wallets, each with its own set of security considerations. Therefore, while losing your ELLIPAL doesn't equate to an immediate loss of funds, it's a serious event that demands swift and decisive action. Secure your remaining backups, consider the implications for your future crypto management, and learn from this experience to reinforce your security practices. Always remember the golden rule of crypto: your private keys and recovery phrases are your responsibility, and their security is paramount. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.